Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am basically start the SCNA Huawei certified network analytics videos. So it is similar to the CCNA videos, but it is in this basically devices are used from the Huawei product and Huawei company. So I am basically here in first video I am basically tell about some basic commands and basic configuration. So in the front of you in my presentation you can check SCNA lab. Mostly part I am doing here the practical, and the first practical is a set host name. In this I am using system view system name and control Z command for return back. In the Huawei simulation I am using the ENSP simulator for Huawei. The second is run display commands and check output, and here I am check lots of details using display command. Third one is configure IP address and assigning the IP address 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask to the interface 000/1. So now guys, we are come to the ENSP simulator, and in here I am basically download and install. Firstly I am click drag on the router and double click on it, and before I am double click on it I am firstly start the device from upper green icon, and it is basically start that device. Now I am click on basically wait until the this it is in the progress. So after the progress I am firstly do the command which is the question mark command. So when I am doing the question mark here, and it is basically show me the lots of command, and you can enter and check the lots of command and its detail. Anytime if you have a problem you can basically question mark and show the command. The first time command use this system hyphen view. It is basically step into the configuration mode of Huawei routers. Like CCNA, it is basically enable mode or configuration mode. The second command I am use here is the system sys name, and I am assigning the host name that router. So I am basically type sys name, and now I am typing the security 200. It is basically assigning security 200 name to the Huawei router, and it is will show the message the configuration has been changed, and now click enter. Now come back to the presentation, and you can check if you press Ctrl J and come back to the main configuration. In the presentation I am first practical I am complete. Now my second practical is the run display command and check output. In the I am using display interface command, which is shows the lots of detail of different interfaces. Second command display clock, which is show me as a time information and time zone information and date information. Third command is basically display the users. It is basically show the what are the user for different configuration user, which is using the CLM mode or any another users that are configuring this router. The fourth one command is display IP. It is basically mostly usable command to check the what is the configuration I am doing on the interfaces, and what is the IP set to I am that interface. So there are lots of display command, and you can have use a display and then hitting question mark, and it represent lots of display command, and lots of manuals are available in the Cisco switches to hit when hitting the question mark. So come back to the ENSP simulator, and now I am here on the router configuration mode, and command using here display interface command. Basically it is tell about what is the configuration and different interfaces, and show the different interface which are available in that router. So firstly I am typing the display, then I am typing interface, and when hitting enter it show the lots of detail about the interfaces, and you click on enter and hitting enter, and it shows the more and more interfaces. Now second command is display clock, which is show the current time zone, and it is basically time zone China, and current date and time. You can also set the date, time, and configure again. Now third command is display username. It is basically show the different users are available in this configuration, or what are the users that can handle. The fourth command is a display IP interface, which is detail about the interfaces and what is the IP address configured on that interface. So you can check the lots of gigabit Ethernet is just 00/0 available. In the next practical, I am basically configuring that IP address. You can check 001 is available. From you can check the lots of gigabit Ethernet are available, and you can configuring that gigabit Ethernet using the IP address command and interfaces command. So come back to the presentation. So you can check second practical is complete display interface, display clock command, and display users and display IP interface. Now my third practical is configuring IP address on interface Ethernet 00/1, and the IP address is I am configuring here 192.168.1.1, and subnet mask is 24, which is 255.255.255.0. So I am basically configuring this IP address on 0/0/1 interface. You can configure this IP address on /2/3. How many you are available, you can configuring that on this interface. So you can also configure the default gateway, but here I am not in this video. I am not configuring the default gateway because I am basic. It is the basic commands and basic configuration practical. When I am connecting two router, two switches, and creating the lots of logic network diagrams or connection here in the ENSP, then I am basically doing a lot of more commands to configuring that type of IP addresses and default gateway, to checking the connectivity, and doing lots of another command to checking or configuring that router at that point. So guys, start for third practical and come back to the ENSP simulator. And in here I am basically in the security 200 in mode. Now firstly I am go to the configuration mode. I am typing system view and go to the configuration mode, and it is basically choose less than symbol to square bracket. Now I am typing interface Ethernet and then space 0/0/1. When I am hitting enter, it will basically change the subdirectory to Ethernet or interface directory. You can check from security and then Ethernet 00. Then I am typing IP address. Then I am typing IP address question mark. It is basically show what is the another sub command is available. So first I am using the IP address. Now I am typing IP address 192.168.1.2 and then space I am typing subnet mask, which is 24 255.255.255.0. when you hit enter, it is no error come, and it means the command is complete successfully. You can check the configuration and change message has been come, and now simply click on enter and go to back, then press Ctrl Z and come to the main out of configuration mode. Then here type display IP interface. It is basically doing for the what is IP address is successfully assigned to my router or not. So when I'm pressing enter, you can check internet address 192.160.1.2, then subnet mask, and it is I am configuring Ethernet 0/0.1. So there are lots of another rest of configuration I am not configured, so in configuring in another video. So now my third practical is almost complete, and now I am come back to the presentation. So you can check I am completing 3 practicals here and basic commands and configuration. First one is a system view, then system name, then Ctrl Z. Then second command display command is very useful for here most of time. The third one is a configuring IP address, and another showing the interfaces. Now in this video you can check I'm focus on the basic commands and basics configuration. In the next video I am basically start the more practical lab to doing the VLAN configurations and more basic configuration of router switches. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my channel, like this video. Or if you have any query, please ask me in the my videos comment. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys and stay tuned my channel. Thank you.